How to get free $50 PlayStation Store vouchers with funds. Zap. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing and completely verified method to get a $50 PlayStation Store voucher for free. That's right, absolutely $1,000. So make sure to stick around until the end, as I'll guide you step by step on how you can do this effortlessly. Let me start by showing you how it works. Here I am on the PlayStation Store, and I'm about to redeem a code I got from this method. Watch this. Just head over to the redeem code section, paste in the 12-digit code, and hit continue. Boom! Voucher redeemed. $50 credited to my account. And if you're wondering about the amount being higher, that's because the store automatically converts the voucher value to your country's currency. Pretty cool, right? Now here's the exciting part. How you can get your very own code. All you need is your smartphone. Open your browser and go to fundszap.com. It's fundzap.com. I check this site all the time because they frequently update with awesome offers like this. Once you're on the site, search for the PlayStation Store voucher. You'll see different voucher options, like $50 or even $100. Since the $100 vouchers tend to run out quickly, I'm going with the $50 one. Click on it, and you'll see the option to unlock the code. Here's how it works. To unlock the code, you'll need to complete a couple of quick tasks. These could be things like downloading an app and running it for a few seconds, or trying out a game and reaching a certain level. Super simple stuff. Choose the tasks that suit you best. Most of them only take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Just make sure to follow the instructions for each task to get credit for completing it. Once you've finished the tasks, go back to FundZap, refresh the page, and voila! Your 12-digit code will be unlocked and ready to use. Now that you have your code, head over to the PlayStation Store, paste it into the redeem code section, and hit continue. The voucher will be added to your account instantly, and you can start shopping for your favorite games and add-ons. And that's it, guys. An easy and legit way to score free PlayStation Store vouchers using FundZap. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help. I'd love to hear your feedback.